Hurry, Colin.
Those are corn
It's
seeds.
cold out
Yeah,
here.
hurry up. We gotta hurry up and
Oh, you're making a mess on the deck. You're right there. All right. The birds will come and chew it up.
The squirrels will get what's on the deck.
Is it full yet, Colin?
Okay, then close the lid, and then we'll pour it in the bird feeder.
It's not too full yet.
It's not real full yet.
No.
Oh, it looks pretty full to Grandpa.
Okay, are we ready to close the lid?
No.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
We are ready to go to it.
Okay, I'll put this in here. Okay, and I'll leave it in there. Here, now you can pour it in. Ready? Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. We'll save the rest for later because we don't want the squirrels to empty it. Okay, Grandpa, you want to hang it back up for us?